Hi, this is Frank from GunSim.com. So today we're going to be shooting at two different ranges, 100 yards and 200 yards. So 100 yards is what we're zeroed for. That means that the shots will hit the center of the target where the crosshairs are at 100 yards. So we'll test that and then we'll try again at 200 yards. Okay, so all's well at 100. So how do we adjust for 200? So at 200 yards, target looks half the size. And the point of impact, which is marked by that red upside down V, drops 4 inches. Each one of those squares is 1 inch, so that's 4 inches. So if we shoot, we're going about 4 inches low. The group's bigger because it's further away. Right. Obvious thing to do, aim 4 inches high. That certainly works. Let's try that. Yeah, that's fine. It's just sometimes not as convenient as you would like to have to aim 4 inches high, especially if you don't have a target with the inches helpfully marked. Okay, so we want to adjust the scope turrets so that when we aim for the center of the target, we actually hit the center of the target. So we want to move the impact up 4 inches. At this range, that's 8 clicks on the scope. I'll explain that in a minute. So we move up 8 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so that's all we have to do. And then we can fire away, and now the crosshairs and the point of impact coincide, which is what we want. So that works well. The next question is, how do we know it's 8 clicks? Well, this particular scope is 1/4 of an MOA per click. That means it's roughly 1/4 of an inch per click at 100 yards. At 200 yards, it's 2/4 per click. At 300 yards, it's 3/4 of an inch per click. So 200 yards, it's 1/2 an inch per click, 2/4. So if it's 4 inches, that's 8 clicks, 8 half-inch clicks. Now, of course, we don't like doing math in our head because it's usually wrong. So range 200, drop 4 inches, under drop 1/4 of an inch, we've got 1/4 of a click, we've got -8 clicks. So all we need to know is that at 200, it's 8 clicks up. That's all we need to know.